Hello and welcome to the lecture. Let's understand how to insert data in the table. So we have our database created, we have our table created. So let's click on the table and let's go to insert. Okay, click on insert and you can insert the data. So the first thing was auto increment, so we don't have to enter any value. We can say John Smith and designation is IT manager. Okay, and same thing, we say Jim and call him manager, and you can say go here. Okay, and then now how to see the data, right? You can go to browse and you can browse your data here. You can have your data here, you can see. And if you see the employee ID, we didn't enter employee ID because auto incremented, the data has been available here. Let's understand how to insert data via the SQL. So when you click on SQL, you have something called as insert. Let's click on this insert. Okay, so insert command starts with the insert keyword. Okay, insert into where? Insert into a table, and open parenthesis, close parenthesis, you mention all the field names of it. Okay, in this case I don't want employee ID, it's auto increment, so I don't want it. And what is the value, right? The value sequence is based on the sequence of your field name. So first name is value 2, designation is value 3. So here I can say George, or I can say Linda, and I can say HR, right? So now see how I'm doing the insert statement. Okay, the insert is basically a keyword used to insert the table, and again the keyword again insert into where? Insert into this table. These are my field names. Okay, if you are confused about the field names columns are here. You can you can click, and when you click it will come here, so you don't have to worry about remembering the key names of your column names, right? And then once you have your column names, then you have to pass what value you want to assign to this field. Okay, the first field is first one, the second field is the second one. Okay, once you are done, you just click on go, and remember it's a Linda, so we'll go and see whether Linda has been inserted. So it's a one row inserted. Now click on your table and you should see Linda and HR, and remember we haven't entered ID, that's because it's auto increment. Okay, so that's how there's a two ways you can insert data into a table via this phpMyAdmin. You go to insert, you can directly add the value here. You go to SQL, the SQL, you can insert via the insert SQL statement. Okay, there's how the SQL insert statement looks like. It's all about how to insert the data, and I'll see you in the next one.